In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders for your Microsoft Word documents so you can keep your files organized and easy to find. While Microsoft Word itself is used for creating and editing documents, folders are actually created on your computer and then used to store your Word files in a structured way. To begin, go to your desktop or open File Explorer on your computer. This is where you manage your files and folders. Once you're in a location where you want to create a folder, such as your Documents directory, right-click on an empty space. A menu will appear, and from that menu, select the option labeled New, then click on Folder. A new folder will instantly appear, and its name will be highlighted so you can rename it right away. Type a clear and descriptive name for your folder, something that helps you easily identify its contents later. For example, you might name it based on a project, subject, or date. After typing the name, press Enter to confirm it. Now that your folder is ready, you can start saving your Microsoft Word documents into it. Open Microsoft Word and create a new document or open an existing one. Once your document is ready, go to the File tab and click on Save As. Choose the location where you created your folder, then double-click the folder to open it. After that, enter a file name for your document and click Save. Your file will now be stored inside that folder. If you already have existing Word documents, you can move them into your new folder. Simply locate the file, then click and drag it into the folder. You can also right-click the file, choose Cut, open the folder, and then right-click again and select Paste. Organizing your documents into folders helps you avoid clutter and makes it much easier to locate important files when you need them. You could also create multiple folders and even subfolders to further organize your work based on categories or projects. And that's it. You now know how to create folders and organize your Microsoft Word documents efficiently. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.